Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to increase your root drive size in VirtualBox for an Ubuntu virtual machine using a handy tool called cloud-guest-utils. So let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna install, one application here. As you can see here, lsblk, and I have only one drive, and it is 57 GB. So before that, you need to increase your size from your virtual machine settings. By using the volume, you need to increase that correct volume, which I already did here. And this part I'm not gonna covering it here because it's just simple. We just need to go your virtual machine settings and just increase the right drive here. And that particular part I'm not gonna doing it here. Okay, so you can skip that part if you have did it already. And the next step is like this. And as you can see here, you can use this command to check it, but as require doesn't require it, so I'm gonna quit it now. Okay, so I'm gonna quit it now. So to install that application, I need to install one software. I'm gonna install that software. It is called cloud-guest-utils. So for that, let me update my repository first, which command will be sudo apt update. And perfect, I believe it's done. Yep, it's done. So now I can go ahead and install that application, which will be sudo apt install cloud-guest-utils. And it also takes some time, but I believe I already installed it. For me it's no error right now. Okay, it's installed. Now you gparted, sorry, growpart to expand the root drive partition. So the command will be sudo growpart space slash dev slash space 2, because here my drive number 2 is my drive. As you can see, lsblk, and it's now updated. 185 GB, 100 GB above is there. And now the final one, we need to resize our file system. It will be sudo resize to fs, because the file system might need to increase, right, to fs slash dev slash sta2. And that's the only command we're gonna upgrade your particular root drive 50 GB to, your desired size to the actual size, which is current right now, which is 100 GB. And that's a quick video to explain this. I hope you like this video. Thank you. And as you can see here, it's now applied properly, and I got my 100